You a dub, and I know you feel ashamed. Spit it up, know they wanna take the lane. Take a school bus, board a plane.
What's going on, y'all? It's the SneakerDogg, and I'm back with another video. Looks like I got a MacBook Pro. So, went ahead and made a little investment, man. I figured I needed something to make better videos with a little bit more processing power. I went ahead and got the 2020 MacBook Pro. Got rid of that old keyboard, inserted the new keyboard. We gonna unbox this bad boy right now.
One eternity later.
Okay. Cool little box. Just has a little MacBook Pro right there. You feel me? So, went ahead, had to do it for the one time.
Boy, if you don't...
Go ahead, take this out. This is the actual MacBook. Went ahead and got space gray. Of course, got the cord. Little literature. Nothing major. And of course, we got the charging block. Making sure nothing else was in there. Charging brick. Nothing special. Regular old MacBook stuff. So, I'm not gonna act like I know a whole bunch about Apple products. I've been working off of an Air, MacBook Air. Was not even mine. But this is now a new addition to the fam. You feel me? So, we're gonna go ahead and unpack this bad boy. Very nice, very slim product. Very slim. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Should have a screen film here. You can clearly see that. You actually can't clearly see that. You can clearly see that now. All right, y'all. So we had all the little accessories, really weren't accessories, more like necessities.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And now the computer's talking to me because it knows that I just opened it up. It's ready to go. All right, so go ahead, turn that around. Give you guys a good image of that nice Apple. Very shiny right now, and that's only because it's new. Okay. As you can see, the new keyboard. Very nice.
Drücke die Eingabetaste, Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
That was awesome.
Pour utiliser le français canadien comme langue principale, appuyez sur la touche retour.
La touche.
Pour utiliser le français comme langue principale, appuyez sur la touche entrée.
Shout out to all my international fans too, man. We family though, really. Oh, fun fact, I used to speak Mandarin in high school.
Para usar español de Latinoamérica como
And Spanish.
principal, presiona. Para usar, to use English as the main language.
To use Australian
To use British English as the main language, press the return key.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna accept regular American English as the main language. I did like the Aussie accent. Shout out to my Auss people. That's not really, okay. Shout out to all my Australian people out there, man. Straight up. Oi! All right, so I haven't even pulled off the little paper here. Ugh, there we go. It's gone now, guys. It's out of here. It's out of here. It does have the same webcam, people. I know that, and maybe we'll film myself. We'll see. Why am I doing this? All right, people. How y'all doing, man? Bam, I'm moving too, real soon. Y'all don't know it yet? I'm gonna reposition this light. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So I look a lot better. This is my new MacBook Pro. I just got it. It's something that I didn't have before and I have now. The content is gonna come out. I have a quarantine beard, by the way. It's real out here. I literally have a wild, crazy beard right now. Like, look at this thing. All right, enough of the shenanigans. Shenanigans. I call shenanigans. But yeah, this is the computer, man. It is a MacBook Pro. It has the new keyboard. Let me go ahead and bypass this stuff. So I just had to make sure I didn't do anything stupid, and I didn't. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, I'm from the United States, I think. Yeah, no, yeah.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
I don't think I'm doing that. I actually know I'm not doing that. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit continue. And it should go ahead and continue, right? Oh, it wants Wi-Fi passwords and stuff. Okay, guys, get the hell out of here. Looks good. Screen looks good. You can see the keyboard illuminated now. Nice little background. Screen is definitely nice. So yeah, we'll test something out real quick, okay? Hey Siri.
How can I help?
Are we online? Are we online?
Yes, the internet says hello.
Hey, she's tweaking. Hey man, I'm actually digging the new computer I just got. I barely even did anything with it, but the keyboard feels good. Look, the keyboard feels great. That's like the main thing. Okay, let me get in the camera. I'm really gonna talk to y'all right now. This keyboard feels amazing. Like, really good. But I like the way it feels. I just was typing on the MacBook Air, and I'm glad that Apple did away with those keyboards because they're really flat and there's no what did they call that? Key something. Anyway, but just the pressure of the keys and the give of the keys, they feel good. I haven't really messed around with it. I'll probably do a side-by-side with the Air. It's not much of a difference. Just the keyboard is really different outside of that. Processor, of course, in the MacBook Pro is a little bit larger, but I've seen her performance. I've seen her performance side by side for these, right? And it wasn't a real difference, to be honest with you. Really, the fan temperature was lower on this one. What else was it? The keyboard, of course, is different now. It's not, I mean, it feels great. It's not the biggest of accomplishments, but it's something. Also, quad core in this one. So it's gonna do more things a little bit quicker. And I'm gonna be streaming, y'all. So like, keep in mind, I'm really gonna be streaming. So I'm gonna stream probably Last of Us 2. I don't know if I'm gonna have the capture card that I need, because I'm looking for one right now, but it's really hard to find the model that I want. So I mean, it's impossible. I can't find it right now. And my battery is just flashing at me, telling me that I should have charged it before I did this video. But this is really just an unboxing. I haven't done a review on it yet. Just a few touch points as far as the keyboard and everything like that. But man, I'm back in the game. Back online. Oh my God, I'm back at it again, y'all. Back on YouTube. And I'm gonna have a whole lot more content coming soon, man. And I don't mean to point at y'all, it's not really that respectful, but I'm telling you, I got some stuff coming, bruh. So keep an eye out for me. Before this camera dies, man, I'm messing with a quarantine afro. You see it. Nice long beard, you know, Grizzly Adams style. But yeah, how are y'all quarantines going? Hopefully everybody's doing well. Like, subscribe, comment on this video. Just a real quick unboxing on my new computer. I'm gonna have some content coming to y'all really quick here. Love, peace, chicken grease, and all that in between. Alright, peace.
You a dub, and I know you feel ashamed. Spit it up, no they want